Dancing dance. Dance down. ya.
Ini kan udah ruangan nggak dancing. Iya, goyang dulu ya.
Done. Okay, it's opening. Oh,
Oh, that's nice.
wow.
Thank you, Jackie. Thank you.
See all the gift.
Lots of love. Oh, grandma.
Ah, grandma. That's Marie.
Marie.
Hmm.
That's Marino. Thank you, Marie.
Mari.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that's very good. Oh, there is card here, so I have to.
That's nice.
Opening gift.
So, grandma. I hope it's grandma. Yeah. Yeah, the best wishes for a very happy birthday. Lots of love, grandma and Alan. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a big one.
Oh,
Wow.
what's inside?
And happy birthday. God bless you. Lots, Lynn and Paul. Thank you.
Let's what's inside.
I can't. Oh my god. You can't even.
She's so really good.
Secured.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
What's that? Ah,
Very nice.
I thought wing scales. Oh, very pretty.
Oh my god.
Oh.
And
A heart. Wow.
Oh.
Papa Sandra, thank you.
Maybe she's tired already because she's working hard. And the card.
Because you've been
You've been working and then
That's why
party
you're
and then
tired.
tomorrow you're going to work again.
working there and fighting there.
Yeah, party girl.
And working again tomorrow.
George's birthday girl. Wow.
Vegetarian.
March 9, 2021. To my George's birthday girl. I'm thankful truly to have you as a friend. You're younger than me, but to adore you for your confidence and full of energy. You always fully charged. Always think positive. Teach me how to pose in a camera. Chin up. Never forget you. One of my most unforgettable people in my life. For having such a wonderful and kind friend like you is a treasure. Love you so much, baby. Happy birthday, Lynn and Paul. 1, 2, 3, smile, celebrate in style. Chin up, baby. Aw, thank you. Such a nice card. Thank you. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
What card was it?
Thank you.
Why you want to know?
It's that long, and then you just like, what's
Oh dear.
Card?
You're going to match your son?
Pokemon card. Pokemon card.
What's wrong? You and Dana never book that.
Happy birthday, dear Leah. Happy birthday. Lots of Maria. Well, Maria? Remember Maria?
Oh yeah, Maria, yeah.
Oh.
Another bag.
Oh my god.
Wow.
God.
I have so much bag now.
Yes.
That's a billion
You get another.
Never
Oh,
to-
where's my card? Ah,
Hang on, it's there. It's
yeah.
there.
Ah, okay. I think card is more important.
Oh, hello, judges. Fine China.
Hi.
I don't know this one from who.
Can I?
See, doesn't know. That's mine. That's why I said I belong with the card.
Oh, that's my god.
Where's my card? Oh, it's gone.
Oh no.
Oh no, I
Are you
think so.
recording that? Are you recording?
The other one, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh no.
Oh no,
We need to find
no,
the
it's alright.
card.
You're welcome. The card is, you can cry in the card. You need to start to cry now. No, only one.
Oh, now we have it. I can do it together. Let's
Just Hamia, stay just in and out. Love you, God bless you more. Happy birthday. Love, Jen forever.
Later, okay.
Nice photo.
Yeah.
I will.
That's why I choose it.
Thank you, Jen.
Mm-hmm.
But
You're
me,
welcome.
I like it. You know when you write the card.
Okay, next time I'll draw it on my own.
Draw it.
Huh?
Draw it.
Yes, I will. I'll do a Carabao on a mountain, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, they're listening, huh? It,
God.
we just left. Ito na lang natitira. We're just left.
Oh, happy birthday, my lovely friend. I wish you happiness. Your heart can hold. Here's to a happy your own luck. You're simply the best, love, Cherry Berry. I like that one. You know the.
Yeah.
I think it's the one that right. Like.
You're simply the best, Toyota.
But I know how to
Thank
write.
you.
welcome.
$100,
Oh.
things.
You're welcome. I just said you're welcome.
Just do the envelope, huh?
Oh my
Antilia,
god, oh my god,
Antilia.
oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
$50 from Dear Antilia, a loving auntie like you with a loving auntie who's so sweet and different way to meet and greet. An auntie who always spread the smile, not far a day but all the while. All the while, my auntie, you know you are the best in everything that you do. You really have no clue that I love you so. On your special day today, I wish you an amazing birthday from Aurelia, Mama and Dad.
Ah,
From Dika and
Dika.
Aurelia. Thank you.
Yeah, the pink card have also gift card. The pink one.
That's it.
I haven't
Oh.
Good.
Oh, you're gonna wait. Open that box. Open the big one box. It's big.
I opened it.
That's a big card because it's
I
big.
haven't opened the pink one.
Yeah, it's a big.
It's a big card.
Big.
Dear Leah, have a lovely happy birthday, Leah. May your day is always happy day. Love, Jenny Blosser. Happy birthday, Leah. Panjang umur. Thank you, Mbak Jenny.
Is that Jenny?
Not me, the other
You
one.
should have brought General Services.
Yes.
From General Services.
That's Jen, not Jenny.
General Services.
Not far to go.
Oh.
Julia, happy birthday, wishing my fashionable friend a glamorous birthday and another year of looking fabulous. Enjoy your special day. Hope you had a great day. Lala. Thank you, Lala. $50.
Wow.
Voucher. Wow. I like the card, big card.
Big love, big love.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Sorry.
I know that everything,
Ooh.
my love, but that's all that I needed.
This is from Susan.
I know, I lost the card.
Thank you. What is this?
Mask.
This is Max from
Oh.
Susan and foot soap
Yeah.
and lip
10.
balm.
Oh.
Lip
And I think this is like
Makeup?
eyeshadow.
Did you keep going?
Yeah.
eyeshadow.
Thank you.
I think you like the color. I think you like the color.
I like presents.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's from the heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, from
I
the
like
bottom.
presents.
Oh.
Julia from Manju.
Wow.
Thank you. Oh, look
You're
at
welcome.
that.
It's big.
I didn't so.
Oh, look at that. Thanks.
Yes,
My
another
God.
kid.
Now you can
Bag.
go to the store.
I need another, what's it called? Wardrobe. Yeah, the cabinet.
You're
Mm.
welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you, Diana.
You're welcome.
The Natasha.
Ah.
Natasha.
Ah. Yeah.
From Putri.
Oh, three. How do you know?
Because I just know the style.
From me, yeah? Because I always do
Because I think no one does that, so
Julia,
I think
happy birthday,
except
wish you all the
Putri.
best. Hope you have a wonderful day from Putri and Jill. Yeah, because I always wrap my gift like that. Indonesian style.
Indonesian way. Next time I will show the Filipino way. Oh, that's nice.
You got the Minnie Mouse now. We're gonna party.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do a high tea one day. Yeah.
Tea party.
Oh my god.
Pajama.
Tea party because you got the Minnie nice mouse.
And we're wearing pajamas. Yeah, that's what I want. Pajama. I want no, it's candle.
Ah, that's nice. Asa smells one. Smells candle.
Thank you.
Smells candle.
Candle
You're welcome.
Yes.
I'll go tell her that
Yep.
And last
But not the least. A little something just for you.
there can never be a last one.
yeah, there's no one yet.
Aww.
Unless you'll give her.
Oh, dear Leah, hope all your wishes come true. Happy birthday
From Reinhardt.
Fina.
Oh.
So Reinhardt already gave
Oh.
me on my birthday $100.
Ah, okay.
I used to get like $50.
Oh, guess. Another guess. Guess what?
Oh my god.
Guess wallet.
Oh, guess what?
Thank you.
Guess
Oh
wallet.
my god.
Lady in red.
Thank you, everyone. My God.
Thank you,
everyone.
too.
I'm the best. The only one that said
You have a happy birthday. That's all for today.
Yeah, that's all.
Guys, so finish our party. We're nearly going home. So it's so quiet now. Eating, dancing, and laughing. It's all done. So thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See you next time.
You're welcome.
in the next vlog.
Next
Bye.
Yes. Food. So, foodie. So look. Leftover na. Just help ourselves. So, ubos na. So, yan. Yan ang natitira sa mga cake. So, we need to help.
Leah.
Then ito yung sa akin, guys. Ito yung aking baon pang bahay. So, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you on my next vlog.
No.
Yes, please.
No.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Big thumbs up. Big thumbs up, okay? God bless. Take care. Very much. That's the end of our video. It's time to go home. Let's go home. Bye. See you next time. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Next time. Oi.
Like and subscribe.
It's like dislike.
No, like.
Unlike. Rihanna. Like and subscribe please. The Australian Beauty.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So let's go.